Hey Hat Kids! Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make your very own fortune teller. Fortune tellers are fun little crafts that you can make with just a piece of paper and a few markers. I like to make my fortune tellers about things like your future jobs or what you'll be eating for dinner tomorrow. However, your fortune teller can be about anything really. First, let's go over how to make a fortune teller. For our first step, take a blank piece of paper and fold it over from one corner, making sure to keep the corners even with nothing sticking out. You should end up with a piece of paper that sort of looks like a triangle and a rectangle stuck together. We don't need the rectangle, so we can just fold it over to make a line and then cut it off. With just our triangle left over, we can unfold it into a big square and start folding the corners into the middle to make a smaller square. So actually I'm gonna fold it over first to make some nice creases for me to follow. And then fold along. As you can see, I've made a smaller square. Fold along the middle lines to create some creases. These will be important later. From this side, flip your mini square over and fold the corners in once more. From here, you can fold your fortune teller in half using the creases you made earlier, and then slip your fingers into the little pockets that you've made. If you made enough creases, this should be able to turn out pretty well. And it should just fold on its own as you're lifting it up. And there we go. One fortune teller. Voila! Now for the fun part. Decorating. You want to have one color on each of these four outer parts. And then put some numbers on each inner part. These inner parts. So on one set, or one, I don't know how to describe this, one part, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then on the other side, I have 5, 6, and 7, and 8. That way, you're looking at different things when you open it up in different ways. Finally, you can fold out the inner flaps of your fortune teller and write down people's fortunes. So let's say someone picked 3 and 4. They would have the same fortune. Or if you want, you can put a little line and have 2 different fortunes. Actually, I might do that. That we'll have more fortunes. Since my fortune teller will be about tomorrow's dinner, let's write some fun food items onto the flaps. Alright, let's put this bad boy to the test, shall we? First, I'll choose a color. Let's pick blue. So then, blue has 4 letters. Let's count it together. B, L, U, E. Now we can pick a number. Our options are 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's choose 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I get to pick one more number. Let's pick 1. Oh boy! It looks like for dinner tomorrow, I'm going to be having Chinese food. Yay! For those that are curious, the other options were pizza and McDonald's, hot pot and Denny's, Chinese food and ramen, and sushi and Korean barbecue. Lots of options. All of them equally delicious. What did you think about my fortune teller? Are you gonna make one for yourself? If you are, be sure to post a picture or video of your fortune teller onto our Facebook page. We'd love to see and hear from you guys. Next week will be my last video for this school year, so be sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on the last of my hack content. Until next time, see you later. Bye.